still the car wouldn't drive.
It won't move.
No. Handbrake.
Whoa!
At least 4. We're nearly outside. We're nearly outside. But Lamborghini Italy have the code in to get this car working properly. The issue is they won't send it until this car is inside a Lamborghini main dealership. This is it then. The Lamborghini Revolto is going to Lamborghini on a trailer. This is not how we wanted things to end. But hopefully we're going to get a happy ending after this. We're all praying for that happy ending. We just want a working Lamborghini. We've spent way too much. What are we at? 440 something thousand pounds now.
Do you think Lambo will fix it?
If Lamborghini can't fix this, what hope do we have? We can't take it Ferrari. So it's down to Lamborghini now.